在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Conversational Hakka on ICRT.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, we're teaching you the phrase 在哪里 where.
dangၤ
通常会讲dangၤ在哪里，可能是要找一个店啦，或者说在路上要去找路啦，
或是找东西啊，
或者是在身上有些东西不见了，到底在哪里？那个时候很急哦。Sometimes we ask where to ask for directions, or maybe where a certain shop is. But sometimes it's about things on us that we can't find. Like 很经典的是，有些人啊，可能眼镜找不到，
结果根本就在你的头上。
是不是？好，我们今天就教这样的一个状况好了 ，OK? Let's teach you this situation where you can't find your glasses. Let's take a listen to this conversation.
你嘅qimṃ嘅呀？
你有看到我嘅目鏡喺哪裡嗎？
你牙嘅頭哪檔啊
？Again， 在找什麼呢？在找眼鏡。要找眼镜，真的有一半的时候，真的就是在身上或头上，
因为头顶没有跟我讲话。
Again, this is a funny situation that happens to us sometimes, and especially if you're nearsighted or farsighted, you can't find your glasses when it's obviously on your head. Let's break it down. 刚刚讲说在找什么啊？就是
你嘅qimṃ嘅呀？
你嘅qimṃ嘅啊 ，OK， qimṃ嘅就是找什么的意思了嘛，对不对？
qimṃ嘅
啊，qim 就是找。Qim means to find, okay? And then the second line is, do you know where my glasses are? 你有看到我的眼镜在哪里吗？
有看到我嘅目鏡喺哪裡嗎？
mugః就是眼镜 mugః that's your glasses. 然後喺哪裡 where 在哪里啦？
你牙嘅頭哪檔啊？
在你的頭上啊。
頭哪檔？
頭哪檔就是你的頭上啦。
頭哪檔？
頭哪檔 again, that's above your head. All right, so let's go ahead and review some of these vocabulary. 我們來蕊幾個單字咯。
OK，
包括眼鏡
mugః
that's the glasses, and then 頭上
頭哪檔
okay, and then finally 找 to find
qimṃ
okay, and this whole month is all about 在哪裡，也就是dangၤ. Now let's hear this conversation again.
你嘅qimṃ嘅呀？
你有看到我嘅目鏡喺哪裡嗎？
你牙嘅頭哪檔啊？
Again, all about dangၤ where. It's our conversational Hakka.
什麼大家？
漢字say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.